The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is jam-packed with some great features, and one of them is Hyperlapse. Hyperlapse is when the camera takes a series of photographs and then combines them all together to make a video, which is all kind of sped up. A little bit like a time lapse, but the camera is moving in this case. Join me in this video as we're going to show you how you use the time-lapse function on your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro to get some great footage and help you really up the ante on your next video. Accessing Hyperlapse on your Osmo Action 5 Pro is super easy. All you need to do is look down at the bottom corner, the bottom left corner, and you just got to tap on the icon down there and move the slider across until you get this icon here, which means Hyperlapse. Now, once you've done that, it means your camera's in the Hyperlapse settings or Hyperlapse mode, and to change the settings is super easy. So from the bottom of the screen, you just want to swipe up and see how we got Hyperlapse all highlighted there. Now, once you've done that, there's actually a series of different Hyperlapse modes. There's Auto, which is where the camera decides what sort of speed that you should have for your Hyperlapse. There's 2 times, 5 times, 10 times, 15 times, and 30 times. Now, what does that all mean? Well, if you have a video which is 10 times, what that means is it's actually creating a video which is 10 times the normal speed. So basically you would have 10 seconds of video compressed into 1 second of footage. If you have it at 30 times, what that means is you're actually grabbing 30 seconds of footage and you're compressing that into 1 second. So that's how Hyperlapse works. Okay, I'm just going to start off right now, go through a few of the different modes. I'm going to do some filming down here at beautiful Christie's Beach here in South Australia. And then on the bottom of the screen, I'm going to show you what mode that we are using so you can check it out for yourself. One thing to remember though is that if you are filming with a Hyperlapse, you want to have your camera still stable as you are filming. So for example, you can use something like a selfie stick, or this one's the handler, or you could use like, I don't know, like another mount, like this one here is from Telesin, and this is like a neck mount. I'm going to put it around my neck and do some filming. So it's very important that you try to keep your camera still strapped down and in a location where it's not going to move around to get the best results. Okay, without any further ado, let's fire up Hyperlapse on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Hey, hope you're getting some great value out of this video, and if you are, make sure you hit that like and the subscribe buttons to stay up to date with all the cool stuff that's happening in the world of action cameras, especially the Osmo Action 5 Pro. Okay, hey, thanks for listening. Let's get back to the video and learning all about Hyperlapse. Is a feature that I often use in a video to kind of speed up some parts of the vision that might be a little bit boring, or in my eyes anyway. I have a short attention span, so Hyperlapse is one of my favorite features. But hey, what do you think? Is Hyperlapse something that you would use in your next video project? Let me know in the comment section down below. Of course, Hyperlapse isn't the only awesome feature on this camera. There are plenty more, and to learn more about the Osmo Action 5 Pro, you want to click on this video over here next. Thank you for watching today. I do appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.